ready, Stacy? Yes, I'm ready. What's going on, you sexy people from YouTube? Marty Rides here, bringing you another banger of a video. Like always, I'm riding with my buddies. Well, for now, my buddy Paulo on the 07 Yamaha R6, which I am gonna try to get a review out of if he lets me ride his bike. But there ain't nothing I can't handle. Right now we're gonna go middle with my brother-in-law at the gas station. He has to go to Camarillo to return some straps that the guy that sold him the bike let him borrow. So, and I might need gas, so might as well put some right there. Weather has been like shit still recently. Fucking raining, cold, sun isn't even out. Weather just sucks, honestly, man, in my opinion. I don't know how people that live in states where it rains a lot, snows, it's cold, shit like that, I don't know how they fucking survive if they want to ride, you know? Since riding is life. Hey, do you have a message for my subscribers?
No, why?
Do you have a message for my subscribers? No?
I think so, why?
No? I'm just asking.
I haven't checked.
Huh?
I haven't checked. I have like the private meeting.
What?
I have like the private meeting. I haven't checked.
La Policia from Oxnard, California. Stunner. Ah, fuck. God damn. You didn't hear that? Where you at? Hurry up! Hurry up! Fucking guy made me bring my fucking backpack and he didn't even end up using it. And he was gonna try to make me carry this shit.
Bruh.
What kind of fucking guy does that? It's gonna be a chill ride. We're just gonna cruise down the back roads of Camarillo. Nothing too fancy.
Challenge accepted.
From what I've heard, the Dianese, they've got some balls, bro. That's what I've heard. Like, they take off pretty fucking quick. And this shit backfires like a fucking crazy lunatic. What the hell? His feet are just dangling. Short people problems. Yo, so I want to ask you guys, let me make sure I'm recording. Alright, I want to ask you guys a little some of the channel, and I want you guys to actually comment. If you guys can, please comment. What do you like about my channel and or dislike about my channel? I'll mainly be focusing on the things you guys dislike so I can work on them, you know, make my videos a little bit better. But also, if you guys like my channel, tell me why, and then I'll do a little bit more of that, of what you like, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to make my channel a lot better, man. Let me know if my edits are trash. I'm gonna still edit my own videos. I don't want anybody editing them, because I know what I think is funny and shit like that. But just comment down below, please, right now, if you can. I'm gonna stay quiet for like 3 seconds, starting now. Just comment down below. I want to know who says Harleys can't ride with sport bikes. If there's a rule out there, if there's a law, my boy over here is breaking it, because this is all he's gonna be riding with, sport bikes. Damn, just look at the scenery, man. I don't care what other people say. Oxnard, California, man. It may be a little Chad. It may, you know, have a lot of Mexicans, but this city is nice, man. Mountain views. Most of the time, it's supposed to be having good weather, right by the ocean. What else can we ask for? Like, literally. I know there's a lot of fields, but, bro, Oxnard's the best, how could I say it, producer, if that makes sense, of strawberries. And who fucking doesn't like strawberries, man? I think it's in May when they're popping. So when May comes, best believe I'm gonna be munching on them shits. And they're pretty cheap too around that time of month. We all know low-key my brother-in-law's cold as shit. Wearing a fucking short sleeve. I'd say it's like 40 degrees. I know mostly y'all think 40 degrees is warm from wherever you guys live, but for us, we're Cali boys. We're used to the warm weather. This is pretty chilly for us. So I don't want to see no comments of people talking shit that we're bitches because we can't handle the cold. If you were a Cali boy, you would understand. God damn, this shit pops like a motherfucker, man. Bike life, bro. We both live in that bike life. It's just your shit's a lot slower, but it's fine. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. Motherfucker doesn't have blinkers. Alright guys, let us drop this shit off real quick and then I'll be back with you guys in a second.
1 hour later.
Pick up more bitches on this.
Bet!
Yeah.
Just dropped off them straps, my boys. lock off the straps. We're gonna go home now. We're gonna take off Pablo's front and rear tire. Fuck you looking at, bitch? So we got shit to do today. Slow!
The fucking hair, the whole hair. I got a fucking visor. My fucking breath looks.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. That's enough speeding for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. This is Mario Rise, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.